Back with the group. We got a couple more M cars now. The guys were in the X5s got bored. I guess we're behind schedule. Heather, I got you a Jeep. They are going inside. But since I haven't had lunch yet, I'm eating a sandwich. This place is amazing. 718 4x4s. Including this thing. It's amazing. I just can't believe how big this place is. And there's so much. Definitely add it to your bucket list if you have a car and you're going to be in UAE and you have a free afternoon. It's just, and you're obviously a passion for vehicles and modified vehicles, but like this is just amazing. There are so many vehicles.
Yeah, I guess. Because the video.
So I don't know where we're going next, but that was a overwhelming car museum. Just overwhelming. Over 700 4x4s. I'm just amazed. Overwhelming. I stopped halfway in. I'm like, I get it. I get it. You got a lot of cars. All right. But yeah, we're heading somewhere now. But I'm feeling okay, actually. I had a ton of water today. I'm feeling good. That half sandwich was killer. AGMC, the Motorrad BMW dealer for Dubai. I want that M4 competition.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go sit in it. I want that car. There's one for sale in New Hampshire that is mint condition, like 12,000 miles, beautiful paintwork. And they wanted like 70 grand for it or something. I'm like, I could buy a new M2 for that. They're like, yeah, but it's not this one. And that orange was only like 100 or so in the US, and that orange color in a manual. lot of cars here. Yeah! She knows my heavy spot. Alright, we got a Z4, M8, Cayenne Turbo, M3, M4. I'm losing track. I feel like it's like I'm going into Fast and Furious mode right here. International folks here as well for BMW International Clubs meeting next week, and so all of us flew in. So USA, we have Germany, Canada, a few others. Yeah, Morocco, I think. I love this blue. I love this blue. No. GSAs.
Coming in. Today we have with us some very special people. The BMW Club, for some that you don't know, it's a big organization around the whole world. You have club umbrellas across different regions. You've got the Americas, the Canadas, Asia, we're the Middle East. So we have with us today the people who lead these umbrellas. So we wanted to show them what BMW culture is all about in the Middle East.
I wish the GoPro was better at night. This is really quite beautiful. You have what I only describe as a very low haze tonight. You can see it glimmer off the street lights, and just a whole bunch of BMW motorcycles. Like a whole mess of them. Last exit. Actually, this is a different location than we did the other day. There's two locations. This is a much nicer location than the other one. That's my fault, I'm sorry. So we have a bunch of choices. Big Smoke, chicory, steaks and butter, and Nash hot chicken. I think I'm gonna go for the Nash hot chicken because I miss home. So it's obviously cars and motorcycles. A lot of people have already left. I didn't record for a while because I wanted to eat some food. And 5, and 4, 240. whole bunch of BMWs. Definitely more cars than motorcycles today. There's mine. It's a total mess. Well, this is our last night riding in Dubai because tomorrow afternoon we turn the bikes in. Oh well. Kind of a bummer, but so last time I've seen the skyline from the GoPro. Not that anyone's really demanding more GoPro content. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be able to like one more day, and then we turn the bikes in tomorrow afternoon before it gets dark, and then Saturday will be a free day, no bikes, no plans, and then Sunday we're doing a dune safari. So, yeah, it's fun riding around the Dubai though. I'll be a little more, probably better tomorrow about my feedback or thoughts. But I like riding around Dubai at night. It's a really different, it's a different city at night. And not only is it 10 to 12 degrees colder Fahrenheit, but it's also just, I don't know, nice. So, I'm putting the video off from here because we're pretty much home.